What is up, happy people? GWG back to you guys with another video. Oh guys, this is so exciting here. See all this rust? Everything is rusted, man. See this control arm here? Rotted all the way. The ball joint that we'll be replacing. So the first thing to do here, we gotta loosen this axle nut. Right here, there's a lock that locks the nut. So we wanna open this up with a chisel. Like that. Okay, you don't have an impact, you can use a breaker bar. Break caliber bolts. Another one on the bottom. We got the caliber off, guys. Now we don't want to let it hang on the hose here. We want to get a strap or a bungee cord, hook it to the strut, and then hook it to the caliber, let it hang on it. Go ahead, disconnect the outer tie rod from the spindle, but we need to take a cotter pin. It looks just like that. Do your best here to get this cotter pin out since it's rotted, so just try to pull it out. I did my best, guys, getting the rotted cotter pin out with some penetrating oil. If you have this handy, use it. You want to heat up the nut itself, not the stud, because metal expands with heat, so you want to get it red hot. I have it red hot right now. You want to be fast here. Hammer it on. Good. And loosen it quick while it's still hot. Okay. So there's a tool for it. This tool, you can use it for tie rods and ball joints too to get them off. You stick it here. The other end, when you tighten the screw, it just pushes on the stud, get the tie rod off. If you don't have, you still can use the hammer. And you want to hit right here on the spindle itself, not the tie rod, not the stud. Make sure you don't hit the stud, and you want to hit it hard.
Here you go, guys.
Disconnect the sway bar link here. An Allen key to hold the swivel link stud while loosening the nut. In this case, it's not giving me a problem. It's not spinning, so I'm just gonna keep going, get the nut off. Once we get the ball joint bolt out, now you want to grab your jack and we want to put tension on the spindle. This way, as you can see, is lifting the whole suspension of the control arm up. Got the ball joint out of the spindle finally. As you can see how it's loose. So this is the noise that you can hear. I was checking out on the control arm bolts, guys, and I come into this. The edge of the subframe is bent for some reason. It's holding the back of the control arm bolt. So I'm gonna have to heat this up and bend it back so I can get that bolt off. It's been a headache job, man, but sometimes this is how it is. You just gotta deal with it. Keep going, don't stop. Make sure you have safety glasses on. Okay, so I bend the subframe back. Now we have a room so the bolt can come out. The control arm One bolt here, 17 millimeter, and two bolts here. So let's get the front one out. Install the new one now. Make sure you match the parts before you install. Here you go, line up the holes for the bolts. There you go, went in. Control arm is tight. Here the ball joint. It comes with the new bolts because you don't want to use this, and the new lock and washer here. So the way I do this, I put the ball joint in the control arm, put the nut on it, put the axle in, before we line up the new ball joint, we want to just give it light coat of anti-seize. Now you can go ahead, line up your ball joint here. Once it's lined up like that, I would like to get a jack and jack up the control arm. Here you go, guys. You can see it's going in. And the nut for the ball joint. Don't forget the carb pin. Here you go. Bend the two edges. One like that and the other one down. Let's put everything back